Making delicious pizza sauce at home couldn't be fucking easier. Trust me, this pizza sauce is fantastic, and I'm about to show you how to make it at home yourself in minutes. All right, we're gonna start off with a can of these Italian-style San Marzano tomatoes. I can't really call them San Marzanos because they're not from Italy, they're cheaper. Then we're gonna add the salt, and then next we're going to add the olive oil to that. And last but not least, we're going to add apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar. This is going to re-acidify these canned tomatoes and make them taste more like tomatoes. It's absolutely delicious. That's the first trick here. Then we're going to cover this container with a piece of plastic or something similar, cut a very small hole in here, just enough to fit the tip in of, yeah, that's right, my 1980s hand mixer here. And we're literally just going to one step at a time. If you do this too much, it will become way too watery and you'll end up with tomato juice versus tomato sauce. So just do this enough to get those tomatoes blended. You could also use like a food mill or something like that. If you're using a blender, be very careful. It's easy to overdo this. Now just look at this beautiful sauce. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. We just made beautiful pizza sauce in 12 fucking seconds. All right, now go out there and make some delicious pizzas like this one on your own. You're welcome.